Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to export Meta AI chat. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily export Ask Meta AI chat. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your App Store or your Play Store, then search for your WhatsApp over here. Now once you search for your WhatsApp, make sure your WhatsApp application is updated to the latest version. So if your WhatsApp is not updated, make sure you're using the latest version of your WhatsApp application. Now update your WhatsApp, and once your WhatsApp application is updated, now open your WhatsApp application over here. And once you open your WhatsApp, you can see Ask Meta AI. So click on Meta AI, and once you click on Meta AI, open it, and you can see over here export chat. Click on export chat, and once you click on export chat, you can see airdrop, you can see mail, you can see, so you can choose to copy, but in my case I want to save it to files. So save to files, click on that, and once you click on that, whether you want to save it at downloads, or so you can select downloads, and once you are done, you click on save over here, and by clicking on save, you have saved your chat on Meta AI. So with this, you can easily export your chat on Meta AI for future use. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new